Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to shrink email message to fit one page when printing in Outlook. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Outlook application on your PC. Then you want to go and navigate to the file menu on the top left side right here. Then you want to go and click on print from the left side. And here you want to go and click on print options. Then here you should go and click on page setup in the middle of your screen. After you go to page setup, here you have these two options, title, font, and fields font. So simply click on each one of them, click on the font on each one of them, then try to do some adjustments in order to decrease the size of the font and also the font style, make it light, and change the size to 864, for example, just in order to decrease the number of content that's actually spread on the page itself. So here, as you can see, when you zoom in on the bottom here, you can see that our content is actually on 2 pages. So we need to decrease the size of the fonts in the title and the fields. So I'm gonna do this for the title, then I'm gonna do this for the fields, then I'm gonna click on OK, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.